Are you tired of this new taskbar? I have a solution. So, hey guys, this is Tanit, and today we're going to talk about taskbar which we all have in Windows 11. There are many features lacking in this new taskbar. That is, the drag and drop features are not here, or like say the old so much bigger menu is also not here. We don't have the old calendar. We don't have those old stuff. So we can actually bring it back also, which I know it's surprising, but you can bring the old taskbar back. There will be some new stuff, obviously, but obviously we can get sort of old taskbar as well. So I will just give the link of the file in description. Just download it. Here I have it is called EP setup. I'll just allow it and it will take some time and then it will bring up the old Windows 10 taskbar, obviously. And as you can see, we have the old taskbar back, the Windows taskbar back. And I already had this one left aligned. If your start button is still in the center, you can just go to settings and like, oh, I have taskbar settings here. I can just go here and just make it left aligned here. I already had it, so not an issue. Some of people want to remove this show desktop option. You can just select this and yeah, the show desktop button is actually gone. So that's really good stuff, which is not even there on Windows 10. So yeah, this is the start menu. Obviously, you can't get the live tiles anymore. If you are using the leaked build, you can do it if you are using a leaked build or like the first sort of builds of insider builds of Windows 11. If you are using those, obviously you'll get it. This is the search UI. This is the task view. For some reason, it's kind of a yeah. So all those stuff we have, those stuff Windows 10 taskbar with those you can even get those new animations. Animations won't get affected, and I know you still have those old network stuff, sound stuff. You have those like obviously I don't have any kind of sound, so it will take you to the Get Help app. Or like that's not the thing. If you want the old calendar app, it's still here. So yeah, with this new font, it looks more good, which was actually expected by Microsoft, but they just removed it for some reason. But I just like this calendar a lot more. This is the best one I can say. This is the calendar, and even we can add those stuff. If you just install this application, you can just access the backend, and in the backend we have this sort of hidden calendar app, which is the most best stuff. This is the action center. Obviously, if you get any sort of notification, obviously you can get, and if you like even the new calendar, which I don't like, I will hide this. But if you say want some notifications, if you want to clear it or anything, so basically you can say this is the combination of Windows 10 and Windows 11, which is really good. You can just clear notifications and all those stuff. Talking about the sounds and network, obviously it's now less functional, so you can just use the control center. It's actually represented by settings icon. So you can get all those features here, accessibilities, and all the stuff. Obviously, this is a virtual machine, but you will have more features obviously on your control center. And then now there are many people who will be talking about these menus. So you can obviously use all these features which we had. We can use we can't center this taskbar. If you center it, it will just bring the start menu and search in the center. It's of no use, but then that's why left is the best stuff. Um, Talking about corners, overflow, just on it, off it, or anything you want to. This is the pen menu, and I guess it's not easily accessible on Windows 11, but it's really easily accessible on this old taskbar, which is Windows 10 taskbar sort of. And I can just disable it, touch keyboard, which is like this, which is really nice, really cool. And then virtual touchpad, which I don't have. I'm using a PC. widgets area. So it represents a Cortana icon, but if you click this, you will get sort of widgets. I don't have graphics UI. This is Hyper-V, and that's why it's sort of like this. Yeah, this is the widgets area. So yeah, this is the themes area. It doesn't show, so what you can do is just press Windows C, so it will show this themes area. You just do all stuff which you want to. I can just minimize it and just Windows C, and you just get those chat options. Even if you have these off. So that's a really good thing. You can even drag and drop apps here actually. This is already pinned, but if I unpin this, I can just sort of drag and drop it here, and even any file. It's not like it's just restricted. You can even pin any file here. Even you have toolbars here. You can just add a new toolbar. You have Cortana button, obviously. Uh, you can even get those old people taskbar and all the stuff. Yeah, still have those stuff. You can just use it, and you can still pin and find and pin contacts in your taskbar, which is really good, really nice, and it sort of make it is like a new Windows 10. Like what shall I say? I don't know, but this is good. You can just disable it by unchecking it. You don't get those sort of news and interest. You can just launch Task Manager from here. You can launch. You can use those old four features and all those stuff. There are some features missing, which is there on Windows 10's taskbar, but we can't do anything. This is just that they have just removed many features which were there on this right click menu. So yeah, rest you can just go to taskbar settings and do all those stuff. If you want to use it, you can definitely use this, but I'm just gonna remove this. So if you want to remove, if you also want to remove these changes, you can just go to Control Panel, uninstall a program, and then Explorer Patcher. This is actually an Explorer Patcher. Uninstall, yes, yes, and okay. It will take some time, and then you are back with the new taskbar. If you go to taskbar settings and just center it, yeah, done. So this is basically it. You can't get sort of the uh, old calendar, but if you want it, you can just download that file and do all the stuff. And also you can watch my start button in the middle video in which I have showed how to bring the start button in the middle with the help of Windows 10 taskbar. And you can do the same thing with the Explorer Patcher Windows 10 taskbar as shown in the video. So just do that, and even you have the option, you have the ability to bring the start button in the center in Windows 11. So it will work more well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.